nandito po ako ngayon sa SM at habang po ako naglalakad, nakikita po tong dalawang bata na to. So, what do you wanna eat?
Jollibee po.
Ano?
Jollibee po.
Jollibee. Ano sa Jollibee? Anong klase?
Chicken.
Chicken. So, sabihin nyo muna, please like, subscribe, and click the bell button para updated kayong lahat sa mga video ni Ate Badiday.
Sa mga video ni Ate Badiday.
Oh, guys. I'm just walking there and I saw them. I just been inside the SM. I bought the cell phone, so thank you so much, baby. So my wish is granted. So now I felt sorry to these two kids. They said they were hungry, so maybe I can buy them some food at Jollibee because I still have some money left when I bought the phone. So guys, I'm going to Jollibee with them. Okay? So let's go?
Yeah.
Let's go?
Yeah.
Stand up! Let's go! Yay! We're going to Jollibee! Sabihin nyo muna, welcome to my channel!
Welcome to my channel.
Jollibee? Ikaw? Excited? Okay, so guys, they're very excited. They're going to eat Jollibee. So, hey baby, halika nga dito.
Yung batang yun, kinuhaan niya yung...
Sabihin mo muna, sabihin nyo muna dito. Dali, dyan kayo dala. Sabihin nyo, thank you, Mr. Brown.
Thank you, Mr. Brown.
We're going to Jollibee now because of you. So, baby, we're going to Jollibee because of you. So, I still have some money left. So, let's go. Let's go. Thank you. So, there's another girl.
Sama ko.
Gusto mo Jollibee? Ha? Gusto mo Jollibee? Ayaw. So guys, ayaw niya ng Jollibee. I don't know what she wants. Sabihin mo muna, welcome to my channel. Alright. Gusto mo Jollibee? Okay, let's go. We're going to Jollibee. Tayo! Let's go! So dali, una kayo. Una kayong tatlo. Doon kayo tatlo. Ha? Atid kita? Punta tayo Jollibee. Gusto mo kumain Jollibee? Oo, tara. So, nandito po tayo sa ano dito? Dito. Parkingan ng mga jeep dito sa sa main gate. So, kasama ko yung tatlong bata because they were asking me to buy Jollibee. So, I'm going to share my blessing to them. I still have some money left, so I need to feed them. For me, guys, it's better to give them a food than to give them a money because we don't know if they're gonna buy food or what, or they're just gonna give it to their parents, or then we don't know what they're going to do with the money. So it's better to give them food. Oh, Jollibee is there. Dali, doon kayo, dali. Sabi mo, kakain po kami sa Jollibee. Andali na. Sabi nyo, nandito na kayo sa Jollibee. Oh, dali na, pasok. Yay! Dali na. Order na kayo. Dali.
Mabigyan tayo ha, nasa Philippines na yun.
Dali. So, masaya kayo? Sabihin nyo, welcome back to my channel. To Ate Badiday channel. Yay! Masaya na kayo niyan? Uy, bakit mo nilagay dyan? Ah. Ba't mo kinukutsara yan? Sige, kain na. So guys, while I'm walking from SM, so I saw these two kids and they were begging. So I was thinking I'm gonna bring them here because they were asking me to eat at Jollibee. So I feel so sorry to them. Lucky I still have money left, so we eat now. Kain na. Masarap? Wag na yan. Oh, bye-bye na, bye-bye na. Bye-bye. You're welcome. Masarap. Ano sabi mo? Oh, that's really melt my heart, guys. So, okay na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you next time. See you around. Bye-bye.